If you are looking for a dish that is healthy, nutritious, and delightful, you will enjoy this traditional Sri Lankan Dhal curry recipe. It is rich, creamy, and aromatic. Probably the best lentil curry I ever had. Here is the original recipe my friend Nadee sent me.
To make this traditional Sri Lankan Dhal curry, first prepare the lentils. In a large saucepan, combine 1 cup or 190 grams of red lentils, 1 small thinly sliced onion, 3 slit green chilies, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 4 pandan leaves, 4 curry leaves, 1 cinnamon stick, 3 sliced cloves of garlic, and salt to taste. Then add 2 cups or 480 milliliters of water to the pan and stir well to mix all the ingredients. Next, place the saucepan on the stove, cover it with a lid, and simmer on medium-low heat until the lentils are soft and cooked through. That will take about 25 minutes. Once the lentils are cooked, stir in 1 cup or 240 milliliters of coconut milk, give it a mix, and then cook for another 5 to 10 minutes. While the curry is cooking, let's make the tempering. In a small skillet, heat 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and a quarter of a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, 1 small sliced onion, 2 sliced cloves of garlic, 4 curry leaves, 2 pandan leaves, and 1 dried red chili to the skillet. Saute until the onions and garlic are golden and fragrant. Then pour all the tempered spices over the thick and creamy lentil mixture and give it a quick mix to combine everything well. Then remove the curry from the heat and let the curry sit for a few minutes before serving to allow the flavors to melt together.
If you love the rich, creamy, and aromatic flavors of this Sri Lankan Dhal curry, then check out this deliciously crusty roasted paan recipe here, which pairs perfectly with this lentil curry recipe. Check it out now.